So the FATH matic connector comes in two pieces. You have the connector and you have the rolling T-nut. The first thing you need to do is you take the connector, you insert the connector into the extrusion, and then you need a Torx head attachment. And we put it inside the extrusion.
You want to get that down to where the connector is flush with the extrusion.
Okay.
Pop out the screw, install the T-nut. As always, we want to preload that T-nut. It just makes adding the mating piece so much easier. Slide the T-nut into that mating piece and tighten that up, and we have a nice secure connection. And also it leaves the inside slots available for a panel, and you can move it. It can be in any location along the slot.